Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Honda Civic Sport. Now of course this is finished in polished metal. You do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, you get front parking sensors, you then also get these brilliant 17-inch piano black alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get. Coming around to the rear, we've also got your rear parking sensors, you've got the twin exit exhausts, reversing cameras just up at the top here, and then coming into the tailgate we have plenty of room in here, including your protective boot mat as well. You've then got 60/40 split folding rear seats which fold with this level just here, and then you of course have this pull-out privacy shelf which will ensure maximum privacy for any belongings kept inside the tailgate. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now we do have full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round. You've then also got this 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your dual climate control in the front which can be operated via the touchscreen display. You've then got satellite navigation. You've then got your various audio sources along here as you can see there. Then you also have Bluetooth hands-free. Now of course you do also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built within this screen as well. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, onboard computer controls, voice assistant and your Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the infotainment screen and the onboard computer. Over to the right we have your adaptive cruise control with your lane keep assist, distance control and your speed limiter. You've got full automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 19,033 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Honda Civic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.